Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet, and if this is your first time here, you're definitely welcome. So in today's video, I'll be doing a very simple, quick, easy glam makeup look. If you want to see how I achieve it, then definitely keep on watching. But guys, if you're new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And without wasting much time, let's jump into the video. Starting off with the Nuban Beauty Solid Setting Spray. So I'm going to use this as my moisturizer because this is a very hydrating setting spray. So once that has dried down, I'm going in with my Zaron Oil Block Mattifier. So these I love to go in with when I want my makeup to last me throughout the day, because this will ensure that the oil doesn't seep through. It controls oil very well, so I recommend this highly. So once I've allowed that to dry down, I'm going in with my Nuban Beauty in my Skin foundation. So I'm going to apply a couple of drops on my face, and then if I feel the need to go in with more while I'm blending, I'll do that. I absolutely love the application of this foundation, and also this has a very skin-like finish once you've blended it out, and it's a medium to full coverage foundation, so you can always build it up if you feel the need to do so. But for this look, I want something very simple, very easy. I don't really mind the foundation being a full coverage foundation, so I'm fine with the coverage it gave me. So once I'm done blending all of this out, I'm going to go straight into contouring, and for that I'm using my Nuban Beauty in my skin. So now I'm going in with my Nuban Beauty in my skin concealer in the shade 047. Now I'm going to use this for my cream contour, and I'm applying that all over my cheekbone area, my forehead, and also my jawline. So I'm going to go ahead to blend all of that cream contour with a blending brush. So I'm taking my time and making sure that this doesn't go below my cheek area, because we do not want the product anywhere below my cheek. So I'm just going to keep on blending this product in all the areas where I've applied that. And so once I'm done blending all of that out, I'm going to go back in with the brush which I use in blending out my foundation to make sure that everything is well blended in together, simply because we don't want any harsh lines. And also for this look, I'm not going in with any cream highlighting product, so I'm not using any concealer. So next I'm going in with my Sacha setting powder, my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to set down all of the areas where I'll usually apply my cream concealer in, basically to bring areas where we'll usually want to bring forward. So I'm going to go in to set all of the area down. Guys, I told you this is going to be very quick and it's going to be very easy, so you can do this in under 15 minutes basically. Okay, maybe not 15 minutes, because some people it takes them more than 15 minutes to draw their eyebrow, but basically it's a very quick, easy process because you don't need to do all of the routines you usually do. You can even do this without applying cream contour. You can just go in straight with your your contour powder or whatever you use. So guys, once I'm done setting down all of the areas with the setting powder, I'm going in with my NYX Highlighter and Contour Pro palette in the shade Hollow, which is the darkest shade in that palette. So I'm going to use this to set all of the areas where I applied my cream contour. So once we're done with that, I'm going to move on to my eyebrow. So for eyebrow, I usually use my Davis pencil in number 18. So first thing I usually like to do is comb up with my spoolie, and then I start off with outlining the line for my bottom area, and then I go in to connect the line at the top area of my eyebrow. And so I repeat the same process all over again with the next eye. I draw the line, and then I go in and I draw the other one coming from the top area of my eyebrow. And once that is done, I'm just going to go in to fill up the sparse areas in my eyebrow. Sometimes I'll fill the sparse areas down, or sometimes I'll leave them like that. So once I've done that, I'm going to go in to brush up the product. So that's once I've filled in the sparse areas, I'll go in with my spoolie, I'll brush up the eyebrows just to make sure that the products are well distributed. And so once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my concealer. Now I'm going in with the Early Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. This is just to give me a little bit of highlight underneath my brow bone area, and also I'm also going to use it as an eyeshadow primer. So I'm going into my Perception palette from Colourpop and Makeup Sheila, and I'm picking up Culture from the palette on a blending brush. So I'm going to blend this out all over my crease area and my transition area. I'm also applying that on the outer V of my eyes. So I'm not really being precise with my blending and application, but I'm just making sure that everywhere is well, blended with the shades. I'm also going to repeat the same thing on the other eyes. And so once I'm done with that, I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to pick up Spill the Tea on my fingers. So I didn't really feel the need to go in with a blending brush. Like I said, this is a very quick, simple, easy glam look. You can achieve this in 15 minutes. So I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid area, and if I feel like I've applied too much, I can go back in with my blending brush and just blend over that area. So now I'm going in with my Maybelline Colossal Kajal black eyeliner to apply all over my waterline area. Now once I'm done with this, I'm going to go in with my setting spray, and I'm using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. So like I said, guys, I really want this makeup to last me all day, so I'm making sure that my face is matte. So next, guys, I'm going in with my Colourpop X Makeup Shader Highlighter in the shade Pose. I'm going to apply this all over my cheekbone area, the high point of my cheekbone, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my cupid's bow. And so once I'm done applying that, I'm going to make sure I've blended everything well. So guys, once I'm done blending out the highlighter, I'm going to move on to smoking out the underneath of my eyelash with Thick from the Perception palette on a smudge brush. So once I'm done smudging out that shade, I'm going to move on to applying a couple of coats of mascara to prep my lashes for my false lashes. And the mascara I'm using today is the Zaron Lengthening mascara. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to go ahead to apply my falsies off camera and be back to finish up the look. So now, guys, I'm going in with Unbothered for that inner corner highlight from the Perception palette. And once that is done, I'm moving on with my Colourpop BFF 3D pencil. I'm going to use this to draw out, to outline my lip area, and also I'm going to also fill in my lips with the same pencil, the BFF 3 from Colourpop. I'm going in with the Colourpop lipstick in the shade Quickie. I'm going to apply this all over my lips and then blend that out. So guys, this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, guys, it doesn't take up to 15 to 20 minutes to achieve this look. It's very simple and yet still a very glam look you can wear anywhere. So guys, if you enjoyed this look, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. Comment down below what you liked most about this look, and also don't forget to share this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already, and also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.